Now let's set up the organization. Go to Settings, Organization Details. Upload your logos, optional but recommended. Enter basic information, display name, your business name, legal name, registered company name, industry, your business type, business structure, company, sole trader, partnership, etc., business registration number optional, organization description, short business summary, add contact information, mailing address, physical address or select same as mailing address, phone number, email address, website, mobile numbers optional, add social media links optional, Facebook, X, Twitter, LinkedIn. Enable online invoice details if you want additional business information to appear on invoices. Click Save to update your organization settings. Tippy. Complete your organization details before creating invoices or connecting bank accounts for a smoother Xero setup. Next, select your base currency. Your base currency is the main currency your business uses. For example, if your business operates in the US, you may use USD. If you operate in the UK, you may use GBP. If you operate in Australia, you may use AUD. Once you set your base currency and start using the file, changing it later may not be simple, so choose carefully. Next, we have financial settings, where you configure the core accounting preferences for your Xero organization. Here, you can set your base currency, choose your financial year, end date, and configure your sales tax or VAT details, including tax periods and default tax rates for sales and purchases. You'll also find lock dates, which prevent users from making changes to closed accounting periods, helping protect your financial records. At the bottom, you can set your organization's time zone to ensure transactions and reports use the correct local time. Take a moment to review these settings during setup. Now let's explore invoice settings in Xero. This section helps you customize how your invoices look, how customers pay you, and how Xero follows up on overdue payments. First, you'll find branding themes. Here, you can create professional invoice templates that match your business identity. You can customize page layouts, fonts, document titles, tax information, logos, payment instructions, and the details that appear on invoices, quotes, purchase orders, statements, and receipts. You can even create multiple branding themes for different customers or business divisions. Next, let's look at online payments. Xero allows you to connect payment providers like PayPal and other supported payment services. Once connected, customers can pay invoices online with just a few clicks. You can manage payment methods, configure default payment settings, connect additional payment providers, and view all connected services from one place. Offering online payments can help you get paid faster and improve cash flow. Another useful feature is Invoice Reminders. Instead of manually chasing overdue invoices, Xero can automatically send reminder emails to your customers. You can choose exactly when reminders are sent, such as 7/14 or 21 days after an invoice becomes overdue, and even add additional reminder schedules if needed. You can also include links to the online invoice and PDF copy, set minimum invoice amounts for reminders, and choose where customer replies are sent.